Welcome to FaceReader Online, Qualtrics and FaceReader participant example. Start the Qualtrics survey and click Yes to confirm participation. For the best recording quality, read the instructions before starting. Adjust lighting and setup as needed. Click Agree to allow the recording of your face. Then allow the access to your camera and microphone. Next, select the camera you want to use. Follow the camera calibration instructions, then click Start to watch the video advertisement. After a few seconds, the video advertisement will play.
Boom, boom, boom. With the outside. Marmot.
The video advertisement has finished. Please answer the question. Once the video section ends, the system will automatically reconnect to the Qualtrics survey, and finally, answer the Qualtrics survey questions related to the advertisement you watched. This step concludes the study. Response recorded message appears. Go to your FaceReader Online account, open your project, and click Participant Results. There, you can view participant recordings, check their status, and verify that the participant IDs match those from Qualtrics. In your Qualtrics account, locate the survey responses and check whether the participant ID corresponds to the one from FaceReader Online. Matching IDs confirm successful integration. In your FaceReader project, open View Results for the participant ID that corresponds to Qualtrics. The participant's detailed results will be displayed there. That's how you view Qualtrics integration in FaceReader Online. Thanks for watching.